Hey, and welcome to Alpha One. In this episode, we are going to take a manual trade for binary option at Pocket Option. I'm going to trade my simple way of support, resistance, trend lines, and I probably will just do one trade. And this time around, I will do a $500 trade, so we get a good profit. But before I do that, if you have account from before with Pocket Option, make sure you close down your account, because what I'm going to give you is very special. I'm going to give you a super account that you basically will get cash back on every single trade you do, because I will give away 60% of what I would have earned from my affiliate income from every trade you do. So make sure you close your account and open a new. Do that with the link you see up here right now, or you can just use the link you find below the video. Also included in that link is a 50% promo code. So on your first deposit, you will get 50% more when you deposit, okay? So make your first deposit count. Also, if you like this type of videos, help me out. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on this bell notification thing so you never lose a video. I also do live sessions every single day where you can see my screen while I'm trading. So if you have interest about that, make sure you join WhatsApp and Telegram. I always post my links there, okay? Also, you can join my Twitter also. But if you want to choose, I would have chosen WhatsApp and Telegram because they are more active, okay? Now, let's start with the trading and let's see how much money we can make in this episode. So now let's see what you can find. I will basically just trade support and resistance, very simple. I want to make myself a little money now. I just bought a ticket. I'm going to visit Norway. So that was not cheap at all, so I need some more money. Now let's see. I see we have a beautiful line down here and a top. So let's see, and if it's good, we are Swiss francs against Norwegian crowns, as we're talking about Norway. So let's take the trade there. If you come down to that line, I will go in, and let's take one in the top also. If we come up to this one there, we will push down. Let's see. So that's it. We have our closing on 30 seconds. Every bar is 30 seconds. So now if we come up to that one, we can make it red just for fun. So it's super easy. And we are in there. So now we have a 30-second close. Let's see if this turns into profit. We see that here he came up, he will go down, here he came up, he go down, and most of the time here we go down. So that's why we did make the trade like we did now. So probably this will be a winner. You have a very high win rate. I do things stupid simple like this. So here we're going to make a $360, and there you have it, $360 profit. It's that simple. This is just a short video for you to see how easy it is to trade binary option. You will have many YouTubers that go in here. They use all this type of indicators with the cross of that, when if that is that and that is that. They make it complicated, so looks like it's a super good strategy, and they always will tell you that you do it wrong if you're losing. But the reality is that they are setting up a way of trading, so it's a high probability that you're going to lose money. Because in the end, most of them are just after your first time deposit. Because when you deposit, they make amount of money. The way I have put up my affiliate income is that I make the money after how many trades you do. So it's in my interest that you do good, because basically you only will do many trades if you're doing good, right? So I make money for every single trade you do, and I have put up now, so you get back 60% of what I would have earned. So misunderstand me correctly, I will still make some money on you. I will still have my 40% of what I should have earned, but I give more for you because I think you deserve it. And when you're trading, you get money back on every single trade you do. So make sure you close your account and open the super account that I give for you. You will find it in the chat, in the comment field, and you will find it below the video. So have an amazing day, and I'll see you on the next.